Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial we are going to learn the functions. You can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty. Let's create a new file, lecture10.py. So function is a group of statement performing a specific task. Let's create a function. So def is a keyword and here I write add, that is the function name, and here I write some arguments. Let's say a and b. Here I write some argument and here I write column. So here we have to use this to define a function. So let's say return, and what I have to return, so I have to write here, so this is the function definition. So let's say I write here a plus b. I want to return in a plus b, and this is the function that I have created. Let's say now I have to call the function. So let's say x is equal to add of. Now I have to call the function. Let's say I have to add something, say let's say 5 and 29, and here I print x. So let's run it. Here we get 34. So I think you understand that how function works. So firstly, this is the keyword, this is the function name, this is the arguments, and here we return a plus b, and here we call the function that is add, and here we have to given the argument, that is we have two arguments. So here we have given two arguments and here I print x. So I think you understand that how it's works. So let's say I write here only one arguments, and here I let's say I write sum of a. So sum is a sum is already in Python. It will give the sum of all the items. Let's say I am using a list here, and I call the function. Let's say y is equal to add of x. So here def is a keyword, add is a function name, and a is the argument, and here we are return sum of a. So here x is the argument that we are given to the y variable, that is add is a function name and x is the argument that we are given. Here only one argument is required, and here we are giving only one argument. So in return this is giving me the sum of a. So when I print y, so it will give me the sum of all the elements. So I think you understand that how it works. So I can use here a percent, and I can find the percent also. Now for that I am using here function name as percent, and here I write sum of a, that is here let's take the test is 10 marks each. So here we divide by 40 and multiply with 100. So firstly so okay, so here I assume that the total is 40 marks, each subject having 10 marks. So this student is having 2 marks in English, 4 marks in maths, 5 marks, you can understand that, 5 marks in science, 6 marks in physics. So and here I call a percent function, and here I am giving the argument as only one argument required, so I am giving the x argument, and here I print y. So let's run it. So here 42.5 is the percent. So I think you understand that how it's work. So let's say I would like to tell you one thing, that here I write print, and so this is this bracket, and now this bracket 1 2 and 3. And so here we have not to write print y, we have only so we have only call the function, and this will run. So here we get a 42.5. So I think you understand that if you use a return keyword, so I have to write here print, and if I write only print, so I have not to write print. I have only we have to only call the function. So I think you understand that how it works. So now there are some built-in functions in Python, like print statement is a built-in function, sum is a built-in function, range is a built-in function. So these are the built-in functions in Python. And user-defined function means simply, let's say we have create a percent. So this is the user-defined function, and in so I have also create the add function. This is the user-defined function also. So I think you understand that we create a function one time and we can use it multiple times. Let's say I create a function percent one time and I can use a function multiple times. I have to create, let's say, another variable a, and here I use a list and I again call a function x, and again call a percent function, and we are giving the only one argument and we will get the percent. So I think you understand that we are creating only one times, so we are implementing the so we are our reducing our efforts to writing all the function again and again, all the writing the this. So I think you understand that we only create a one function and we are using it multiple times, so it will increase the speed.